Keep going?
No.
Hey, sweetheart. You being a good boy for mommy? Huh? I like your outfit. Playing music with your feet?
Are you going to talk to Grandma, Seth? Talk to Grandma. Say hi. Say hi, Grandma.
You're growling. What are you doing? Yeah. You like looking in that mirror, don't you? Say hi. Say hi. Hi.
Say hi, Grandma.
I see you. I see you. You see Grandma? Okay, move. Move a little bit. You can see me? Hi. Yeah. It's Grandma. Say hello. I see you looking at me now. Am I glitchy? Am I all glitchy? Huh? What are you doing? Yeah. Come on, talk to me.
Give Grandma a smile.
You give me a big smile. Come on. What are you doing? Yeah, come on. It's so big. Look at you. It's so big. So big. Yes, you are. Yeah. Come on. Smile for Grandma. Give me a big smile. Big smile.
Say I love you, Grandma.
I love you.
Oh, big yawn.
I love you. Hi. I hear that. You playing me a song. I hear you banging your feet on that. You playing a song. Yeah.
Are you talking to Grandma? Are you saying hi?
Hi. Listen to you playing that. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, it's fun, isn't it? Making your own music like that.
He likes to kick his feet.